Good morning, children. Welcome to session 6 of GK Standard 7. I am Miss Divya Rohit for the session today. Today we are going to learn lesson number 20 and 21. Lesson number 20, please take out your textbook. Take lesson number 20, Space Stations. A space station is an artificial structure placed in an orbit to support the crew members to remain in space for a period of time. So, what is a space station? Space station is an artificial structure and it is placed in the orbit to support the crew members as they have to remain in space for a period of time. So, maybe for many days or many hours. Here are some space stations. Read the descriptions and name the space station with the help of the clue box. Here are given some of the names of the space stations. From the description provided, you have to find out the name. A clue box is also given below. First one, it was the first space station of any kind launched by the Soviet Union on 19th April 1971. So first space station launched by Soviet Union was Salyut and it was launched on 19th April 1971. So answer is Salyut. Second one, it was a space station launched as part of the Salyut program which was lost in a launch failure on 20th July 1972. Next one is the space station which is launched as a part of Salyut program, but it was lost in the launch failure. As a result of launch failure, it was lost on 20th July 1972 and its name is DOS-2. DOS-2. Next, third one, it was a Soviet space station which was launched in 1973 as part of Salyut program. It was the first Almaz military station to fly. Answer is Salyut 2. So Salyut 2 was the first Almaz military station to fly and it was launched in 1973 as a part of Salyut program by Soviet space station. Now, next one. It was the third space station in the Salyut program. Due to an error in the flight control system, it went out of range of ground control and its name was Cosmos 557. Cosmos 557 and it was the third space station in the Salyut program. Due to an error in the flight control system, it went out of range of ground control. Due to an error, it went out of range of ground control. And the fifth one is, it was a space station operated by NASA and was the United States' first space station. It orbited the Earth from 1973 to 1979. It was launched unmanned by a modified Saturn V rocket. So next one is Skylab and it was the space station operated by NASA. And it was the United States' first space station. Skylab was the United States' first space station and it orbited the Earth from 1973 to 79. It orbited the Earth from years 1973 to 79 and it was an unmanned launch or unmanned space station. Okay. So answer is Skylab. Here file or fact, the International Space Station was launched in 1998. So International Space Station, short form is ISS, it was launched in 1998. Now moving on to the next page. Next is lesson number 21, Mission Moon. So you all know Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Okay. It is a cold and a round object. It has no air and water. Sunlight reflected by Moon is called moonlight. Many people have traveled to the Moon. So Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth and its shape is round and it is very cold on the Moon. And there is no air and water on the Moon. So you know that Moon do not have light of its own. So the sunlight reflected by the Moon is called the moonlight. It takes the light of the sun and the light reflected by the Moon is called the moonlight. And many people have traveled to the Moon also. Read the descriptions about various Moon missions and fill in the blanks. You may take help of the clue box. Read the descriptions, find over here and you have to fill in the blanks and clue box is also provided below. First one is, the first manned mission to land on the Moon was Apollo 11. Apollo 11, you have to write the answer, Apollo 11. So the first manned mission to land on the moon was Apollo 11. Second one, name the astronauts who stepped on the surface of the moon. The astronauts who stepped on the surface of the moon are Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. Okay. And the third one, an unmanned Russian mission that took off in 1969 and took colored pictures of the dash from the moon. It took the pictures of the Earth from the moon. An unmanned Russian mission that took off in 1969 took colored pictures of the Earth from the moon. Fourth one, Luna 16 was the first robotic mission to land on the dark side of the moon. So, first robotic mission to land on the dark side of the moon is Luna 16, and it was a Russian spacecraft. Fifth one, the American manned mission carried astronauts name James Irwin, David Scott and Alfred Worden to the moon in 1971, and these three astronauts stayed there for 67 hours on the moon's surface. These three astronauts named James Irwin, David Scott and Alfred Worden stayed for 67 hours on the moon's surface. Sixth one, the first European spacecraft took off on 27th September 2013. First European spacecraft took off on 27th September 2013. India's first scientific mission to the moon was Chandrayaan 1. So Chandrayaan 1 was the India's first scientific mission to the moon. Next here, QQs. What causes the rise of sea level, that is high tide, and the fall of sea level, that is low tide? So these are which cause the rise of sea level, high tide, and which causes high tide and low tide. Answer is gravitational pull of the moon causes high tide and low tide. Okay, let us wind up the session for today. Thank you. Please complete your test book. Please write this in your test book.